Welcome to this concise and easy to follow tutorial on how to use the WordPress group block. If you've ever wanted to organize multiple blocks together and manage them as one section, this feature will make your design process much smoother and more efficient. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner and click on the login option. This will open the sign-in page where you can access your WordPress account. If you already have an account, you can log in right away. One of the fastest ways is by choosing the option that says Continue with Google. Select your Google account from the list and you'll be signed in within seconds. It's a quick and convenient method that saves you from having to remember another password. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at your main WordPress dashboard. Now that you're inside, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Here, you'll see multiple options. Click whatever you want to do. Click that. A powerful visual tool that lets you design and customize your website with ease. Inside the site editor, you'll notice a clean, modern layout that lets you see every change in real time. This makes it much easier to experiment with different layouts and instantly preview the results. Now, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a plus icon. This is your Add Block button. Click it to open a panel containing all the available blocks you can use on your site. In the search bar that appears, type the word group. You'll see the group block show up in the list of results. Click on it to add it to your page. The group block is incredibly useful when you want to organize related elements together, like a heading, a paragraph, and an image, and treat them as a single section. This keeps your layout cleaner and ensures that your styling remains consistent across your page. After adding the group block, WordPress will ask you to choose how you want the group to be structured. You can pick between a single column layout or multiple columns, depending on how you want to display your content. Feel free to experiment here. Try out different column arrangements until you find the one that looks best for your design. Once your group is in place, you can start adding content inside it. Simply click the plus icon within the group block to insert more elements, such as text blocks, images, buttons, or embeds. These inner blocks are completely flexible, so you can mix and match them to create visually appealing and well-organized sections. The best part about using the group block is that you can move, duplicate, or style the entire section all at once. This saves time and helps maintain a cohesive layout throughout your site. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you now know how to use the WordPress group block to organize and structure your content like a pro. It's a small feature with a big impact, giving you more control over how your website looks and feels. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and clear WordPress tips. Thanks for watching and happy building with WordPress.